Welcome back to the lesson. In our previous video, we discussed about how to copy elements from one list to another. And in this video, we're going to be discussing about how to join two lists together in Python. So as you can see, we have two lists already defined, list 1 and list 2. So to join or concatenate two lists together, we can simply use the concatenation operator, just like we've used in our string concatenation lesson, the plus operator as a concatenation operator to join two strings together. We can also use it to join two lists together in our lessons. So now let's go ahead and join those two lists together inside another list. So let's go ahead and define another list called list 3. Okay, and then say is equals to list 1 plus list 2. As simple as that. And now if we should go ahead and print out our list 3, let's say print list 3. Okay, so we should now have list 1 and list 2 merged together in one list. So let's go ahead and run our program to see. Alright, as you can see, yes, exactly what we expected to have. List 1 and list 2 are now concatenated. They are now joined into one single list. Yes, mission accomplished. This is very awesome and very simple as well. So this is basically one way to achieve that. Remember, we've discussed in our previous lesson that we can use the extend method to also join two lists together to basically append the element of one list to another. So that is basically also another valid way to join or concatenate two strings together. So let's go ahead and do that. Now let me go ahead and comment this line of code. And let's come down below here. And this time around, we do not need to define another list to concatenate our two lists together into, but rather all we need to do is call our first list, let's say list1 dot extend. Remember? Like so, and then we're going to go ahead and pass the list that we wanted to extend. Paste it. So this will basically append the element of list 2 to list 1. And now instead of printing out list 3, we're going to say we wanted to print list 1 because everything is merged in list 1. So now let's go ahead and run our program. As you can see, we get exact same result. So friend, that's basically how we go about joining two lists together. You can either use the plus symbol or the concatenation operator, or you can simply use the extend method to append the element of one list to the end of another list. So I hope everything is clear to you, and I will see you in the next video.